Good morning students. Now in this video we have discussed exercise 11.5 where we have to find out the volume of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder and lateral surface CSA of cut surface area of cylinder, and also some question based on cylinders. So question number 1, find the missing value of our cylinder each of the following. Question 1 part A, where radius is given 14 centimeter, radius equal 14 centimeter, height is given 20 centimeter, you have to find out the surface area and lateral surface area and value. So first we find the CSA or lateral surface area of cylinder, that equals to 2 pi RH. CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 20 centimeter square. 7 to the 14, then multiply 22 to the 44. 44 into 40 centimeter square. 4 plus 16, 16 plus 1 17, 1760 centimeter square. Then find out total surface area of cylinder. 2 pi r h plus r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14 and 20 plus 14. 7 to the 14, 44 to the 88, 88 into 34 centimeter square. Then multiply 88 into 34, 4 into 32 plus 3 35, 3 into 24, 24 plus 2 26. So 2 5 4 9 69 2992 centimeter square. Then find the value of cuboid, value of cylinder. Pi r square h. So 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 into h is given 20. 7 to the 14, 22 to the 44 into 280 centimeter cube. Then multiply 44 into 28. 8 for the 32, 32 plus 3 35, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8. So 2 8 5 13, 8 11 1 12. So 12,322 centimeter cube. This is the value of cylinder. This type you have solved the remaining part of question number 1. Find out the missing value. Now question number 2. Radius of cylinder is given 5 and height is given. Find the cut surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. So apply the formula, values are given. So solve the question by yourself. Question number 3. Height of cylinder is given 4 centimeter. Height of cylinder is given 4 centimeter. And area of its base is given 25 pi centimeter square. Area means pi r square. Area of base. So the base of cylinder is in the form of circle. So area of base equal pi r square. That is given 25 pi centimeter square. Find out the value of the cylinder. So value of cylinder equal pi r square h. Area base, that is equal pi r square, is given 25 pi. 25 pi into h given 4, so 25 pi into 4 centimeter cube is equals to 100 pi centimeter cube. 100 pi centimeter cube. Question number 4. Ratio of the radii of two cylinders is given 1:2 and the heights ratio is given 2:1. Then what will be the ratio of their values? So take R1 ratio R2. Ratio of their radii. Take the radius of first cylinder R1 and the radius of second cylinder is R2. It's given 1:2. Similarly, h1 ratio h2, height of first to the height of 2, that is given 2:1. 2:1. Then find out the ratio of their values. So first one b1 upon second b2. b1 upon b2 equal 5 r1 square h1 upon 5 r2 square h2. So 5 divided by pi. So r1 upon r2 whole of square into h1 upon h2. So v1 upon v2 equal r1 upon r2 in the ratio 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 whole of square and h1 upon h2 that is 2 upon 1. Then square of 1 upon 2 that is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 into 2 upon 1. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So b1 upon b2 is equals 1 upon 2. That means b1 ratio b2 is equals 1:2. So ratio of their values is 1:2. Now question number 5. If the curved surface area of cylinder is given to 64 meter square and its volume is given 924 meter cube, then find its height and diameter. So solve the question by yourself. First you have to apply the formula of CSA 2 pi RH, that is equals to 64. So where we get R into H, then apply the formula of pi r square H, volume of cylinder, then put the value of R into H in the volume, so you get the H, then put the value of H in the first, so we get the radius, and we know that diameter equal to into radius, so find out the diameter. Question number 6. Find the capacity of cylinder in liters whose internal diameter is 8.4 and depth is given 20 centimeter. So apply the formula of volume of cylinder pi r square h, then convert into liter. Now question number 7. Find the height of cylinder whose radius is given 7 and total surface area is given 968 centimeter square. Question number 7. Find the height of cylinder, radius is given 7 centimeter, r equal 7 centimeter, and total surface area TSA is given 968 centimeter square. Apply the formula of TSA of cylinder. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7, 2 pi r h plus 7 equal 968. 7 divided by 7, so h plus 7 equal 968 divided by 44. 44 to ja 88, remaining 8, 88 again, 54 to ja 88. So h plus 7 equal 22. So h equal 22 minus 7 equals to 15 centimeter. So height of cylinder is 15 centimeter. Question number 8. Find the value of cylinder is given 2310 centimeter cube. Radius is given 7. Find its base. So apply the formula of value of cylinder pi r square h and put the value of radius and volume. Then after solve you get the value of height. Now question number 9. Lateral surface area of hollow cylinder 4224. It is cut along its height to form a rectangular sheet of width 33 and find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. So lateral surface area is given 4224. Question number 9. 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height to form a rectangular sheet of width 33. So width of rectangular sheet is given 33 centimeters. Then find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. So first we have to find out the length of the sheet. So length equal 4224 divided by 33. 11 3 are 33. 11 3 are 33, 9, 11 8 are 88, 11 4 are 44. Then 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 8 are 24. So length equal 128 centimeter. Then find out the perimeter of rectangular sheet. 2 bracket L plus B. 128 plus breadth is given 33. So 2 into 8 3 11, 3 2 5 1 6. 2 into 161. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. 322 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangular sheet 322 centimeter. Now question number 10. A cylindrical roller is of length 2 meter and diameter 84. For the number of revolutions it has to make to cover an area of 7920 meter square. So first we have to find out the curved surface area of road roller. CSA of roller equal 2 pi RH. The length of roller becomes height of the cylindrical roller. 2 into 22 upon 7. Diameter is given 84. So the radius becomes 42. So 42 into 2. This is the CSA of roller. 7 6 is 42. So we have 6 to 12 to 24. 24 into 22 meter square. CSA of roller. Then how area is given, find out the number of revolutions. And area is given 7920, 7920 meters square. So number of revolutions made by roller is equals total area that is given to the CSA of roller 24 into 22. 11 2 are 22, 11 7 are 77, 11 2 are 22. 24 3 are 72, 30 upon 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. So the number of revolutions equals 15. So roller takes 15 revolutions. Radius is given in the centimeter. To convert it to meter, should be multiplied by 100. So number of revolutions equal 1500. Number of revolutions equal 1500. Now question number 11. A river 10 meter deep and 100 meter wide, flowing at the rate of 4.5 km per hour, Find how many cubic meter of water run into sea per second. A river 10 meter deep and 100 meter wide. So first we have to find out the distance. Height is given, depth of river 10 meter, the height equal 10 meter, and width equal 100 meter, and the rate of 4.5 kilometer per hour. Speed of water speed equal 4.5 kilometer per hour. 4.5 into converted to meter per second. So multiply by 5 upon 18. 9 to 18. 9 5 ja 45. So 2.5 upon 2 equals 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. 1.25 meter per second is the speed of water. And find the value. LBH 1.25 into 10 into 100. In 1 meter the water flow 1.25 meter in per second. Meter cube. 2 point remove 2 0 cancel out. So we have 1250 meter cube. So volume of the river is 1250 meter cube. Now question number 12. A well with 7 meter diameter is dug 18 meter deep. Question number 12. Diameter is given 7 meter. So radius 7 upon 2 meter. And deep 18 meter height, that means height equal 18 meter. The earth taken out, it has been evenly spread all around the width of 10.5 meter to form an embankment. So find out the height of embankment. So here we have to apply formula like the house render, external minus internal. This is a well and the thickness of the embankment 10.5. Width of embankment 10.5. So take that external radius capital R equal 10.5 plus internal 3.5. So 10 plus 3 13, 14 meter. So external radius equal 14 meter. And earth taken out, the volume of earth equals to the volume of the embankment. So according to question, volume of embankment equals volume of earth taken out. Volume of embankment equal pi capital R square minus small r square into h. Square of external radius to the minus square of internal into height is the value of embankment in the form of house render equal volume of earth pi r is given 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into height, that is given 18. So pi divided by pi capital R square minus small r square, put the value. Capital R is 14. So 14 square minus small r 3.5 square into h equal 7 7 जा 49 upon 4 into 18. Then solve 14 plus 3.5 and 14 minus 3.5 into h equal to 2 ja 4 2 9 ja 18. 49 into 9 upon 2. So h equal 49 into 9 upon 2 into 14 plus 3.5 17.5 into 10.5 into 10.5. Then divide. Decimal point remove, increase to 0. 7 7 ja 49, 7 2 ja 14, 7 5 ja 35. Then 25, 3 ja 75. Then we have 15 150, 25 6 ja 150. And 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. So we have 7 into 18 upon 105. 7 1 ja 7, 7 have 35. Then 3 5 ja 3 6 ja. So h equals 6 upon 5 meter. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So height equal 1.2 meter. So height of embankment is equals 1.2 meter. Now question number 13. A cylindrical water tank of diameter 42 cm and height 12 cm, full of water. The water is emptied into a rectangular tank of length 44 cm and breadth 42 cm. Find out the height which the water rises in the rectangular tank. So we have to find out the volume of cylindrical water tank. Then volume of rectangular tank, apply the formula of rectangular cuboid. Volume of cuboid LBH. Length and breadth is given and equal. Both volumes are equal, so we get the height of the water rises in the rectangular tank. Question number 14. A rectangular sheet of dimension 20 by 7 is rotated about its longer side. Find the volume and the total surface area of the solid thus generated. Rotated about a longer side, the longer side becomes height, and then apply the formula of volume and total surface area, we get the volume and TSA of rectangular sheet. Now question number 15. A hollow cylindrical copper wire 21 meter long, its outer and inner radius are given 10 and 6. Find the mass of the copper used in the pipe if 1 centimeter copper of about 9 gram. So apply the formula of hollow cylinder, pi capital R square minus small r square into h. Capital R external radius, that is given 10, and small r 6 centimeter, and height is given 21 meter. Then convert into height in the centimeter, so we get the value of pipe in the term of centimeter cube. Then multiply by 9 gram, because 1 centimeter cube weight is 9 gram. Then divide by 1000, so we get the answer in the terms of kilogram. Question number 16. A building has 14 cylindrical pillars. Number of cylindrical pillars equal 14. Each diameter 1 meter. Diameter equal 1 meter. So radius equal 1 upon 2 meter. and height 4.5 meter, height equal 4.5 meter. The curved surface of the pillars have to painted leaving 15 cm from the top and bottom. Find the cost of painting the pillars at the rate of 25 rupees per meter square. 15 cm leaving from the top and bottom. So 4.5 meter converted to centimeters. 4.5 into 100. Point remove. You can see 450 centimeters. Then 15 centimeter leaving from the top and bottom, so height becomes 450 minus 2 into 15. Because 15 centimeter leaving to the top and bottom. So we subtract 15 two times from the top and bottom, 15 and 15, 30. So 450 minus 30 equals 420 centimeter. Then you convert to meter is equals to 4.2 meter. So height 4.2 meter be painted. Then find out the CSA of 14 pillars. CSA of 14 pillars. So 14 into 2 pi 22 upon 7 into radius 1 upon 2 into height 4.2 meter square. Then divide. So 7 2 ja 14, 2 divided by 2. So we have 2 into 22 into 4.2. 2 into 22 into 4.2. 22 2 ja 44. 44 into 4.2. Then cost is given at the rate of 25 per meter square. So cost of painting 25 rupees per meter square. So 25 into 44 into 4.2. Decimal point remove. 10, 5 2 ja 10, 5 ja 25, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 21 5 ja 1 and 5, 1 and 5 into 44. So 44 5 ja 220, 2 is carry, 44 1 ja 44 plus 2, 46. So 4,620 rupees. So the cost of painting the pillars, all the 14 pillars, 4,620 rupees. Now question number 17. A powder is available in the 2 packs. A tin can shape in the cuboid internal measurement is given, and a plastic cylinder with 7 height, which contains greater capacity and by how much. So you have to find out the volume of both packs. One is given in the cuboidal shape and other is given in the shape of cylinder. Then compare the volume of both and subtract by how much you subtract from the greater to the lower. So we get the whose by how much, find out difference. So students, this exercise 11.5 we have completed, and the whole chapter 11 mensuration is completed. Solve the questions. If you have any query, then ask on maths class or then the maths group. Thank you, students.